Hi everyone, Searing Frost here with another Python Basics video. Today we'll be talking about types and variables. Types classify our objects in Python. Python uses a dynamic type system. Dynamic type systems figure out the type of a variable at runtime. This is in contrast to static type systems that figure out the type of a variable at compile time. Dynamic languages include Python and JavaScript, and static languages include Java and C++. Variables in Python are set with the equals operator. Because Python figures out the type of a variable at runtime, there is no need to add a type signature to variables. Once a variable is set, there is no restriction to setting a new value to the same variable. Here, I'm just defining x as an int 5. Then I can redefine it as the string hello. Then again as a float 1.0. The built-in type function is a valuable piece of your Python toolbox. It will tell you the type of any variable. Here, x is an int, and s is a string. The type of my function is function. But if we evaluate my function, it returns a string, and the result of the type function becomes a string. A very useful tool is the built-in ID function. It takes a variable and returns the ID of its memory location as just a number. You can use this to compare different variables to see if they are pointing to the same memory. As an example, A is 77 and the ID is just a number. Here, I define the list 2 as list 1 and their IDs are equal. Here, these two dictionaries have the same value, but different memory locations, so when we compare their IDs, it is false. Primitives like int and none are special, in that they have their own memory location that's loaded and can't be overwritten. Here, x and y have equal IDs. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to types and variables in Python. Python's type system is incredibly flexible and we've only scratched the surface here. Links to the code and my blog post on types and variables are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.